Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to use OTG Adapter or OTG pen drive in Vivo Y21 smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. So this one is a normal pen drive and this one is a OTG adapter. So we need to insert the pen drive into the OTG adapter. Then insert this setup into the Type-C port of Vivo Y21. Then open the settings. Then choose Bluetooth and device connection. Now you can see the OTG, you need to enable that. So after enabling, you need to open the notification panel. Then you can see the SanDisk USB data pen drive. You can click on that. Now open with files. Now these are the files in the pen drive. You want to copy the file from the pen drive to the phone, you need to click on that. Then choose copy to and click the phone, then click copy. Now the file is copied to pen drive to phone. So if you want to remove the pen drive, you don't remove the pen drive directly. You need to click this icon, then click eject. So wait for a few seconds. After disappearing, you can remove the pen drive. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.